I am a U.S. citizen with a clean record and everything, and good standing for 11 years.
Great.
And I decided, or I'm thinking about filing for my siblings, my sisters and my brothers. So my question is, can I file for three of them at the same time?
Yes.
Would that slow the process? Was that does that reduce their chances of getting accepted?
No, you can file, and you should file for all three of your siblings because most likely in the future you're not going to be able to. Now, when you file for your siblings, it's going to take at least over a decade. So put in separate I-130s for each of them, and yeah, one has nothing to do with the other.
Okay, thank you. And the other question is it, do I start with the I-130? Is
Correct.
there other forms I put with that? Or, because there is the I-400 or whatever, the N-400. That one later?
The N-400 is for citizenship. You're going to file an I-130 for each of your siblings. So you're going to file three separate I-130s.
Okay.
All right?
And where do we file for that? Do we make an appointment with the USCIS?
No. The instruction for the address of where to mail it is on the form. It's a P.O. box. I don't remember all the P.O. box numbers. Depends on where you live and where your family is. But it's a P.O. box, and you follow the instruction on the form. You could also come into us, and we'll be happy to do it for you.
Okay. I spoke about the consultation with the lady on the phone. And the other question is, and I send the payment, everything with it, with the form and everything.
Correct.
Right?
But send copies of your documents. Don't send originals.
And how long does it take, to get the approval?
Years.
Approving your application is one thing, and approving for the visa is one thing, right?
Correct. Yeah. Approval of the application just says, okay, you're approved and you're on a waiting list and your date on the waiting list is the date in which your application's filed, and then you're on a waiting list for a decade. And then eventually they schedule you for a visa appointment in another country, wherever your siblings are, and that's when they get approved for their green card.
Okay, but the initial approval, we approved him for his green card. How long does it take?
It could be 2 or 3 years or 4 years before you even hear that.